Good morning. COVID is one of the biggest challenges the world has ever faced. Even a secondary school student can now understand the healthcare and even the financial implications of this virus. Let us rewind our memory to the pre-COVID era, where all human beings lived happily in their own ways. In the pre-COVID era, and that was just 7 months ago, to be precise, until the end of 2019. In the pre-COVID era, the biggest challenge the global healthcare field faced was the superbug crisis, otherwise called as the antimicrobial resistance crisis, the AMR. Hundreds of thousands of patients across the world have been dying due to untreatable bacterial infections. Bacterial infections where most antibiotics, or in many cases no antibiotics, work. The global economy is expected to lose $100 trillion by 2050 as a result of the superbug crisis. Experts, organizations and governments were convinced on the importance of tackling this menace on a wartime footing. Though most countries initiated national plans to tackle the challenge, the progress at global level is highly inadequate and pathetic. What's the reason behind this lethargy? Drug-resistant superbugs wage their war on humans in a hidden and silent manner. And then, out of nowhere, the COVID appeared on the arena and started monopolizing the thought process and actions of humanity. COVID has become the super killer. The world forgot about the deadly bacterial superbugs and the killing spree these microbes unleashed. COVID attacked humans in a dramatic way. Politicians and policymakers were quick to launch counter-attack on COVID. There is no doubt COVID is a super virus. What we need to realize is the COVID super virus and the bacterial superbugs are partners in an organized crime. These two grandmasters in the microbial world are co-conspirators in their war against humans.